What?
Okay, what area do you want the signals now?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, lovely. We're not going to.
Let's go.
I didn't even mean to throw it down there, but okay.
If you hate Roblox and you think it's garbage and childish,
Oh!
No, I didn't even know you were there.
Where are you, Gabriel?
Yep.
A becomes fucking tall.
Dude. Dude, I swear, no, I get clips, and that's all Gabe puts in the chat. He just puts, do not only do my buggers happy, do not have it. I got a collateral with a nade. All right.
Unless I gotta.
I literally just don't even have to work with this thing out. Alright.
Gotta get more clips to be able to make a video, you know? You can't just
Are you open
bring
for
out a few
ideas?
clips.
I'm very open to ideas.
We could play Super Golf.
No.
No, it's sad GE, bro. It's the funny Pepe.
Shut
Funny
up.
Pepe.
I'm gonna
Funny.
die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna... And it's all thanks to you, Gabe, because
Yo.
you're making stupid
Yo.
remarks. I hate you, and everyone else hates you.
You should just make a compilation of all the stupid remarks.
I am! This is going in now. Dude, who cares?
Would you like for me to describe the most overpowered ability in the entire show?
I would rather you shut your face.